what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? I'm sweating like crazy. Check this out. I'm gonna move quick because my camera's about to die because it's too hot. This, my friends, is a 2000. What year is it, Landon? 2000 what? Quick.
2012.
2012 Ford what?
F250.
Lariat FX4 lifted, beautiful bronze 6.7 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel Lariat, but it's got the King Ranch tailgate. Absolutely gorgeous truck, inside and out. Brand new cab bushings, airbags, 4-inch turbo back exhaust system, K&N oil change, fuel or oil filter, rough country shocks and springs. This is a 6-inch lift kit system on a set of 37 1350 22-inch wheels. Right there we go. Beautiful setup. A little bit of oxidation and pitting, but overall truck's awesome. Beautiful Recon headlights, huge. Put the fog lights on, Landon. Let's see what it looks like. Fog lights, pull it. There you go. Beautiful, look at that. And the light bar, it's got a light bar, a front mounting bracket for the license plate. I mean, the truck is absolutely stellar. The paint's beautiful. As I was saying, brand new, all brand new cab mount bushings, front to rear, all the way up. There's the frame. Frame's beautiful. All the cab bushings, very nice. So, it's a gorgeous truck. Miles, it's got 154, 721 maintained miles. There's your gauge for your bags, pedal adjustment. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Whew. Power windows, locks, everything. Dash camera from the front and for the rear when you're backing up. It's got all the goodies. All your auxiliary switches, double DIN CD player, ice cold AC. Lift your feet, I'll go to the other side actually. Power seats, there's the VIN number. Beautiful rear seats. Let's see what's underneath. Oh, beautiful. Nothing. All-weather floor mats. You name it, it's got it. Really solid truck. It's got the mounting plate for a gooseneck right there in the bed. 4-inch turbo back exhaust, as I was saying. But I gotta make the video quick. 3D floor mats. It's tuned. It's got a full exhaust, original window sticker right there. So it's got all the goodies. Landon's gonna take off. And if you guys have any questions, call 540-898-3025 or visit superiorwholesale.org. You can call or text me on my work cell phone during normal hours because I leave my work cell phone at work for family time. Obviously, everybody's got a family, right? Or everybody's got to try to have home time. 540-848-2974. You can call or text me. There's this one available as if we speak right now. Cab lights, and Landon's gonna take off. Oh, let's pump the hood real quick, super quick. Pump the hood. Under the hood. 6.7 liter diesel, brand new batteries, all the goodies, super clean. Yeah, she's stellar, and it's tall. It's a tall truck. I have to stand on here to get up to shut the hood. But Landon's gonna take off. Let's see how this beast sounds. Check it out. Here we go. Hope you guys are doing great. Oh my God, the truck sounds beast. The juggernaut of trucks. Hope you guys are having a fantastic summer. Happy 4th of July, 2025. And I wish you guys a safe and happy 4th of July. Drive straight as an arrow. See you guys later.